Hello, welcome to PEMCO Hardware. This is Damon. Today I'm going to introduce one type of our glass PJ. The model number is PJ-A520U. This type of glass rating, the materials is stainless steel 304, or we can make it 316. You may find the surface finish. This type is stainless steel original satin finish, and this bigger sample is black color finish. And nowadays, all over the world, the black finish is becoming more and more popular. It's very good selling. This type of glass rating, mostly we will use at the balcony or some other flat layout. There is two main advantage points of this glass rating. Number one, this glass post, the cost is lower than the other type of glass post. You will find there is no any glass clamp fitted on the post body, but there is a U channel welded on the post body. We will weld this U channel on the post pipe. And second, the glass can be fitted very fast. You can save a lot of installation time. Because there is no any glass clamp, you don't need to lose the glass clamp screws and fit the glass screws. You just need to put the glass into the U channel. Before that, we can put some silicone or the rubber into the U channel. Then insert the glass into the U channel until the end. But you may have questioned how the glass can be holded very well. So don't worry about that. We will doing full welding at the U channel button. Doing full welding here and here. Then when the glass comes inside, it will be holded very well at the bottom. Considering these glass PJ structures, mostly we will recommend it to use 10 to 12 mm glass. And what's more, this glass post, all this bracket we will use the casting solid type. Then it can be holding the top handmade stronger. It's different from some other companies using the punching quality. The punching quality cannot hold it very well. But using this solid casting type bracket, the top handrail can be hold it very well. About this glass PJ, we can make it a double side U channel and single side U channel, and even 90-degree channel we can make it. So it can be using a different situation. Later I will show you how we visit the glass rating, especially the glass part. Okay, so now let's show you how we visit the glass. Now the top handrail and the top handrail bracket shadow already be loosed. Now we visit the glass. Okay, insert the glass into the U channel slowly. Okay, so now it's holding very good. And you may find the glass can be shaking because the U channel get bigger than the glass thickness. And now we have to keep the glass stable in the U channel. We will offer some rubbers. We can insert the rubbers into the channel both sides. I recommend it to insert into the glass bottom and the top. Now I'll just show you insert into the top. insert into the front face, and then put the glass, let the rubber keep it stable into the channel, and then insert another one rubber into another gap. Okay, so now you will not hear any shaking voice. Then I will visit the top handrail. There is a small screw. The top bracket shadow should be loosened out first. Otherwise, if the top shadow fits it at the top, then you will find the handrail is difficult to visit. So, loosen the shadow and visit the shadow on the top handrail directly. And then put it inside into the top bracket. Fixing the screw to keep the top handrail stable. Okay, so now full set already be fixed very well. If you are thinking the rubber is not good enough, we can also offer the silicone. Drill the silicone insert into the U channel, then fix it into the glass into the U channel. After the silicone dry, then it can be also keeping very stable for the glass. Okay, thank you for watching our video. If you are interested in our glass railing, please send the inquiry from our website. Our sales will contact you soon. Let's wait for another glass railing for the next video.